Hey guys, I'm Nikki. This is my kitchen
Oh,
sink.
go on, Nikki.
Today I'll be
You know,
cooking
it's a
Jamaican
ghetto
brown
name
stew
that.
chicken with rice and peas and
Stew chicken,
plantain.
so she must
It's a
can
recipe I
cook.
learned from my auntie Sonia. I went
Auntie
to 2
Sonia
different grocery
teacher.
stores for all the ingredients we're going to use today and roughly spent $27.
$27,
It's something my grandmother used to always
$3,000
cook,
in
but
Jamaica.
my aunt- Right now we have a few
Well
pieces of chicken
seasoned
breast and
up.
chicken thighs, roasted garlic herbs, Mrs. Dash,
What the brown in?
some Lorries,
Now
and
stew chicken I cook. What the brown in there?
Marinade, get all the good little juices and all the little nicks and crannies in there to get like.
Oh, you fi cook stew chicken without no brown in? That girl can't cook, you know? That girl can't cook.
Family meal for
Oh,
us
no, she
is
must
like
put
a
the brown in there. But I worry.
production. Food is like our love language. We're also gonna add some thyme. We're gonna use way more than this.
Everybody knows that when you use enough time in your pot, that simple means that you can't cook and you want the house smell like you cook. You see me? We know this.
Because thyme is everything.
Thyme
It has
is everything
so
for
much
you.
flavor, and nothing should survive without thyme. Cooking is very therapeutic.
Oh,
for
what
me.
I
It's
tell you,
like,
we're in the
I like to
kitchen.
Come home, pour a glass of wine, and figure out what I'm gonna cook for the night. The most I always keep in my
Your
fridge
junk
are
food in
herbs,
your
and
fridge
just, like,
too.
Growing up in a Caribbean household, that's like thyme is very, very important. And on top of that, whether I'm cooking like a Caribbean meal or just any kind of meal, it just adds an extra.
That
flavor
girl
punch. So when I
can't
cook
cook.
the scallions, I tend to cut this part off.
That part then I need to cut
I
off
don't know
at the part
why
that have
everyone I feel does
the
it, but
seasoning.
if you know why, let us know.
Me no know why. You cut it
Next,
off.
we're going to fry the chicken. I'm using both olive oil
Keisha
and
put the
canola
brown
oil.
in
My
another
mom taught me to
pot, no
fry with
Keisha.
both.
And Nikki's your name. Oh,
Then we're
Nikki,
gonna
put the
stove
brown in
on
another
medium
pot now.
high. And once it starts
Medium or
bubbling
high,
a
which
little
one?
bit, we'll throw the chicken in.
Right it.
Now that I've put the chicken in, I'm gonna wash my hands. Now we're gonna move on to the
She
rice.
not even watch his chicken.
I'm gonna be very honest. Nobody taught me anything about 2 teaspoons of this or 1 cup of that. Like, Caribbean people don't cook like that. They just cook. I can't really give you a measurement.
She just
Sorry
say
about
Caribbean
that.
cook people
My
don't
aunt
cook
never
like
gave
that.
me a measurement. She's just like, you know, keep cooking until it tastes like X, Y, and Z. And I'm just like, that doesn't help. But you know, that's just how I'm gonna cook. Coconut milk is like so important to rice and peas. I might as well just add the beans now. Ah, season, salt, some more thyme.
No, eat that.
Thyme is in everything.
Me not
We
eat
will
that.
put
Me
this
eat
on
this.
the stove and let it like
Me
heat
not
for
eat that.
like 2 or 3 minutes. And then
Oh, what are
after
you
that,
having
we'll
at
add
the
brown rice.
what are you wearing at
So
the
last but
kitchen?
not least is the plantains. I like to buy my plantains a little beat up like this because in my mind, this is not.
Who teach her?
That. No one has
Sonia.
taught me this.
All dirty
Taste
Sonia,
is
she
what
who
it's
teach
attached
that
to it.
dirty Nikki.
That peas
Two
are
of them
gonna be
just
sweeter.
in the kitchen and I dig dirt.
When you
And I
have
plant.
all this other stuff happening.
If you
We're
want
gonna
the
go put
sweet
brown
one,
rice in now.
you buy it
because the pot
brown.
should be warm, and then we're gonna put the plantains on.
Nikki
it.
know wash your eyes.
I like to just like poke the chicken to just make sure the inside is actually really cooked and it's like softening up because
Cook the chicken.
no one wants to eat raw stew chicken. That's gross. We're gonna add
Cook the
the
chicken.
carrots, the tomatoes, the scallions, the garlic, and of course, can't forget the thyme.
She just had depend on the time for
Then
make
we're
the
gonna cover
pot
the
smell
pot
and taste
let
good.
it stew for like another 20-30 minutes. This is Scotch bonnet pepper. It's like a really spicy pepper. You literally need to wash this for 60 seconds because if it pops, your mouth.
Yo,
will be
that
dry.
pot there look watery.
Anyway,
Watery.
the rice is basically
Cook the rice.
done, so we're just
Cook the
moving
rice. Me
off the
rotted.
stove to the
Cook the
side
rice.
and fry the plantain until it's golden brown.
What she say? She a Jamaican?
I'm a clean freak, so don't mind me.
Yeah, clean
This is my
for it, but you know wash
magic
your
powder,
eyes.
guys. Clean it while you
Dirty.
cook it. That's
Look
something
what she wearing in the
cooking.
kitchen, father.
As you're cooking, and it'll be less mess.
That girl
I
can't
don't really
cook.
give you guys too much numbers or instruction because I didn't really get any. You can tell the chicken is ready. It's
More find
nice and
Sonia.
soft and it's
What she said?
all
Sonia or Sonia? One out of the two.
so good. What I love
Really,
most
and,
about
are you for eat it?
Jamaican food is that it kind of just
Better say
keeps
she not have a
in
man.
touch
Better say she not have a man. She not have a
My
man. She
cousin
can't have a
and I are
man.
Americans, and although we were heavily raised in a super, super Jamaican household, it's easy to be
What's your rice, yeah?
Americanized. And although it's
Cool
great to be in
rice.
a country where you have all these different cultures,
And the
I wanna
water
make sure I
gravy.
keep a part of culture with me and my family. And voila. Check out
Voila.
the recipe in the description below.
Me no want that. I can't. You're not gonna have no man. Be a chicks me that
You
feed
ever
pan.
cook something and then you're like,
Maga, yeah?
cook that. I might actually eat the whole thing.
What's your?
Stewed chicken just reminds me a lot of my grandma and all the times we spent together.
That
and it's
killer,
my
you know.
favorite meal.